Ever pondered the mysteries of the universe? Ever gazed at the night sky wondering about the cosmos? We live in an age of discovery where images from the great beyond are illuminating our understanding like never before. Today, we delve into some of the most significant images that have enlightened us about our place in the cosmos. Imagine towering columns of gas and dust where new stars are born. That's precisely what the Pillars of Creation image captured in the Eagle Nebula. This breathtaking snapshot reveals the very cradle of star formation, a celestial nursery if you will. Amid the vast cosmos, these pillars stand as an iconic testament to the beauty and mystery of our universe. They've become one of the most recognized astronomical images, a symbol of the endless cycle of cosmic birth and death. The Pillars of Creation, a cosmic nursery forever etched in our minds. Now, picture thousands of galaxies in a tiny patch of sky. That's the Hubble Deep Field for you. When these images first came into view, they were nothing short of a revelation. Like opening a cosmic time capsule, the Hubble Deep Field provided a snapshot of the universe in its infancy, a realm teeming with galaxies. But the Hubble didn't stop there. It delved deeper, unveiling the Hubble Ultra Deep Field. This image, even more profound, pushed our understanding of the early universe further. It probed the shadows, revealing fainter and more distant galaxies, each speck of light, a galaxy unto itself, a testament to the vastness of the cosmos. These images have revolutionized our understanding of galaxy formation and evolution. They've shown us that the universe, once thought to be static and unchanging, is a dynamic and evolving tapestry of galaxies. The Hubble Deep Field and the Hubble Ultra Deep Field, windows into the distant past, pushing the boundaries of our comprehension. Next, envisage a stunning spiral galaxy with a prominent dust lane resembling the brim of a sombrero. The Sombrero Galaxy, also known as M104, is a celestial wonder, a captivating spectacle of cosmic beauty. Viewed edge-on, this galaxy displays a distinctive dark dust lane and a bright bulging central core, creating an image that mirrors the shape of a sombrero hat. This remarkable galaxy presents an elegant example of the vast diversity found within the cosmic realm. The Sombrero Galaxy, a celestial hat floating in the cosmic sea. Finally, envision a region of intense star formation, a colorful and chaotic scene of gas, dust, and newly formed stars. This is the Carina Nebula, a vast cosmic nursery where stars are born and die amidst a dazzling display of color and light. The nebula is a swirling maelstrom of interstellar gas and dust, with bright hot young stars illuminating the surrounding clouds. The intense radiation from these stars causes the gas in the nebula to glow, creating a vibrant, ever-changing tapestry of light and color. Here we witness the raw power of the universe, the ceaseless cycle of stellar birth and death. Every element, every atom, every molecule within us was once part of a star, and it is in nebulae like Carina where they are forged anew. The Carina Nebula, a spectacular showcase of the life and death of stars. From the birthplaces of stars to distant galaxies, these images have significantly broadened our understanding of the universe. The Pillars of Creation, a nursery for newborn stars. The Hubble Deep and Ultra Deep Fields, windows into the early universe and the evolution of galaxies. The Sombrero Galaxy, a stunning spiral viewed edge-on, and the Carina Nebula, a vibrant tableau of stellar life and death. Every image, a step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. Until next time, keep gazing at the stars and wondering,